Hey guys, this is Carlos from Burns Power Tools, and today we have Peter Gabriel here from Metabo HPT, and we're going to be showcasing the new brushless router.
Alright guys, this is a brand new tool for us. It's extremely innovative. It is a 36-volt brushless cordless router, and this is part of our multiple family. So with that said, this battery will actually come off and you can run it on 110 power. Of course, being cordless, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that. This being a cordless router, it's incredible to work with. There's no cord to get caught, won't catch you on the board, nothing. It is variable speed. It is a plunge router. You can set the depth on it. And the nice thing with this is it comes complete in the kit. It comes with the battery, the charger, the bag, comes with a straight edge guide, a vacuum attachment, and a hoist of collars for you for doing templates and stuff. Now right now I got the 1/4-inch collar in here. It also comes with a 1/2-inch collar. Okay, it's a 1 wrench to tighten the bit. I know some of them are 2 wrenches, and this is just a tremendous router. I'm going to run it for you if you don't mind.
Sure.
Actually a beautiful little router, but it's really powerful.
Very nice.
It's lightweight, it is brushless.
And you get all this.
You get all that in the bag.
Wow, nice. Including all the template guides, the adapter, the whole 9 yards.
Everything you see here comes with it.
Battery charger.
Battery charger. And right now we still have the mail-in rebate where you can get a free battery online.
Oh,
Excellent. Even
So you
better.
wind up with 2 batteries.
great. 36 volt,
36 volt, both of them be 36.
corded and cordless?
You have the option of getting the corded adapter for it. So you take the battery out, and I don't have one with me today, and it looks just like this with the cord coming off.
Okay.
But again, being in a workshop, being out on the job site, I'm not sure why you'd want a corded tool.
Right.
The other thing we see guys doing with this is the window cutouts, cutting out the OBS plywood.
Yep.
We just lock it down, and they just go to town cutting out the plywood.
Yeah.
Obviously not with that bit.
Very nice. All
you
right.
for your time,
Thanks a lot, Peter.
You got it. Thanks,
Thanks
guys.
for coming by.